When you think about Campania, Italy, what comes to mind? I think about food, wine, recipes, art, history. Hi, my name is Karen Phillips, and I am the creator of Andiamo Trips, a blog that I started 14 years ago with one scope in mind. Share my adventures in this territory that I've called home for 30 plus years. I'm working on a project that I've wanted to do for several years now, and that is to create a video series for my YouTube channel and call it In the Kitchen Campania. In the Kitchen Campania is a documentary series in which I will travel the southern Italian region, which includes the provinces of Naples, Caserta, Salerno, Benevento, and Avellino. In the Kitchen Campania's mission is to get a closer look at these territories from the point of view of an adventurer, me. I will take you on a trip with me where we will discover these territories and start to understand the history behind local recipes. I will take you into restaurants and into the kitchens where the chefs themselves will share their dishes and their ties to tradition. I have decided to launch a crowdfunding campaign to help this project grow and meet the high standards that I have in mind. There are obvious expenses that need to be covered, such as travel, food, marketing, and pre- and post-production. To keep these costs down, I will be doing a large part of these jobs myself. My dream, however, is to use the monies raised to reinvest in the Kitchen Campania project by eventually adding equipment, adding staff when and where necessary, to continue with many seasons ahead. I also want to continue to build a community, one that I began 14 years ago, which many of you are already a part of. So, how can you help? Donate! I have set up a reward system with some interesting offers that I think you're going to like, such as an e-calendar that's going to have some links to some of the top restaurants, so it's going to serve as a guide. Then there's also going to be an e-book that's going to have some of the chefs who share their tips and tricks of the trade for us. I'm going to have an apron. I'm going to have a tote bag with the logo of In the Kitchen Campania, which I designed myself. There are sponsorship and partnership opportunities as well. So you can find it all here on the Apple platform, which I'm using for the crowdfunding. Here's the link. And what do you say? I would love it if you would come along with me.